Isaac Newton, a name synonymous with genius, gravity, and groundbreaking discoveries. But how well do we really know the man behind the equations? Today we uncover the lesser-known sides of one of history's greatest minds. Are you ready to journey beyond the apple and into the depths of a mind that unlocked the secrets of the universe? Let's dive in. You've heard the story. Newton under an apple tree gets hit by a falling fruit and gravity is discovered. But the truth is more nuanced. Did Newton see apples fall? Absolutely. Did it spark his curiosity? You bet. But a sudden bonk on the head? Not quite. Newton described a gradual process of observation and deduction. The apple story reminds us that inspiration can strike anywhere. When we think of Newton, we picture equations, telescopes, and maybe a prism or two. But bubbling beakers and secret formulas, not so much. Yet Newton was deeply immersed in alchemy, a blend of philosophy, mysticism, and early chemistry. Alchemists sought to understand matter and unlock the universe's secrets. Newton's alchemy pursuit mirrored his quest in physics and mathematics. It's a side often overshadowed by his scientific achievements. Picture this: Isaac Newton, the father of physics, chasing down criminals and interrogating suspects. Sounds like a plot twist, right? That's what happened when Newton became Warden of the Royal Mint in 1696. He wasn't just a scientific revolutionary, he was also a dedicated public servant, committed to upholding England's currency. Counterfeiting was rampant, threatening the economy. Newton tackled the problem head-on. Who knew the man who cracked gravity could also crack down on criminals? Even geniuses have rivals, and for Newton that rival was Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, a brilliant German mathematician, the bone of contention, the invention of calculus. Both Newton and Leibniz independently developed their own versions of calculus, leading to a bitter dispute over who deserved credit. This wasn't just an academic squabble, it was a full-blown intellectual brawl with accusations flying back and forth across the English Channel. The feud cast a long shadow over the scientific community, dividing mathematicians and hindering collaboration for decades. Imagine a world without Newton's, the groundbreaking work that laid out the laws of motion and universal gravitation. Yet, this masterpiece, this cornerstone of modern science, almost didn't see the light of day. Newton, a man of intense focus and sometimes crippling self-doubt, wasn't always keen on sharing his work. Thankfully, a certain astronomer named Edmund Halley, yes, Halley of Halley's comet fame, recognized the sheer brilliance of Newton's work. Halley encouraged Newton, pestered him even, to compile his notes and theories into a cohesive book. We've explored Newton's groundbreaking discoveries, his secret obsessions, his battles with rivals. But what about the man behind the towering intellect? The truth is, Newton was a deeply private and complex individual. He never married and had few close relationships. He was known for his intense focus, his long hours spent in solitary study and experimentation. In his later years, Newton's interests shifted towards theology and religious study. This fascination with the divine reveals a different facet of Newton's character, a man grappling with the big questions of existence. Isaac Newton was more than just the father of physics. He was a man of many contradictions, a seeker of truth, driven by curiosity, ambition, and a touch of obsession. His mind shaped our understanding of the universe, and his story continues to inspire us to reach for the stars. From apples to alchemy, from counterfeiters to calculus, Newton's life was a tapestry woven from brilliance and an unquenchable thirst for knowledge. Isaac Newton, a man of gravity and mystery.